Hello everyone, welcome. In today's video I want to talk about this welding helmet. I do want to mention I did receive this product in exchange for an honest review. With that being said, let's get started. So the helmet does come in a nice package. Here you see it. The helmet is auto dimming as well, and this is right out of the package. It looks very nice. Has another shield here. All the controls are in here. As you can see, you have your modes here, so you can hold add or minus, the grind button on or off. Overall, this is a really nice helmet. You can check it out. In here, just make sure you go ahead and remove the plastic that's on here. So you're going to have to take this out, and the plastic's in here too. So in here, this is how it looks. You got your model, your shade, make it go higher or lower. There's a delay. You could choose delay if you wanted to delay as you're welding, but we don't want no delay. So the sensitivity, you can put it higher or lower. Grade eye, and you could press this and it'll it's for memory. Model here, so you see that right there. As you're pressing it, that's a 13 shade. It's very dark, you can see that. Now if you do model, it lowers down the shade. 9, 3.0. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it on the 12. And this, you go ahead and put it in your, it is electric, so you could go ahead and charge it with the Type-C charger. It's right here. This is adjustable as well. So a few things I do want to say really quick about this helmet is it is fully digital. And so let's go ahead and fit it on ourselves. Just like that, and then you just go ahead and tighten these so that it could stay on. And just like that, and it works great. It looks good. I could see this much right here, and let's go ahead and try it out. So again, we're gonna go ahead and try it. Very nice. You got to do the weld, and now your glass comes back to normal. You could see everything clearly, and it automatically dims as you're welding. And that concludes the video on this welding helmet. Thank you.